Okay, here we are in. I already moved the password. I'm gonna click sign in and there we go. All data is safe. Okay, welcome back to the video. I already made the Hiran USB. How to make it? I'm already posted video as well. So boot from that USB and then I'll boot from Hiran. Wait, let it load. And there you go. Hiran 64-bit Windows 10. You can use Windows 7 as well. So boot from the Hiran and click next. So it's loaded already and okay. Now we have to go to the start menu. Let it load. Let's go to the start menu and type here password and this red icon I'm gonna click. I'll click on this and there. Now I have clicked these three buttons and then I'll go to the directory. This is the directory on the right side. You can go to the Windows and then you go to the system. I'm gonna search it system 32 and then you go to config. There is my config and you can select this SAM file and all your user would be here. I'll be unlock the administrator and my old account. Change the password. Type any password that you remember. I'm typing 123. It's easy to access. Click OK. And if I want to unlock the admin, I'll change the admin account and unlock it if it's locked. So again 123 and 123 and OK. Now save changes and exit. Now reboot your system. Be back once it's done. Okay, here we are in. I already moved the password. I'm gonna click sign in and there we go. All data is safe. So if you like the video, like, subscribe, share and comments. This is only for educational purpose. No hacking, no nothing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video very soon.